ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Namar ka jing menti jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ban pentrai kami ki mat jing dawa ki nongi ka school SSA ki badan hapo ka Shatri jong ka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association haga khat sautri ko bunai nailor arajar arphuai ki la penlong da ka jing ki ka bajai ka balalong hamadan malki hanong ba Shillong. Hagani ka jingya ki bala penlong da ka jingya syong kelan mengor kinong elam jong ke MSSA SA ki kenthok teng ya ka jing bamdan jingkit khli jong ka Sarkar jilla ban seu ya ka tulop jong kinong hikai school SSA da ka basu pensa teng bet na uwei ubna sha uwei pat kadadu bagi nong hikai school ki ya kendo mau siang hadu kata-kata ya kani ka jingle jong ka Sarkar kinong ilam jong kani ke kinhon kila ongru bahas school ya kinong hikai school SSA ki khna school ki jukhot miss ya kinong hikai kenthai bat sir ya kinong hikai shenrang kadba hakidukan shnong kinong hikai school SSA ki sha sin da kinong krong unong ilam barang ba jong ke MSSA SA uba Aristotle Rembai habakren na kajing ilang shwaban penkut ya kajing ya syong kelan mengor ula penbenaru balada ka Sarkar jilla kamla ban pentri kamno ya kajing dawa jong ka seng hapo kalai potrik ubnai risau mentau snem arajar arphuai ka seng kan penlong byang se kawai kajing ya ki ha kaba kinong hikai school SSA kin shim shuti sendon arsngi kenti
Namar bangamla banwan sim kelas. Kyong balai sar. Sipor ngamla ban jubab ya kejingkeli jong kikana apo kelas pong balai bangamla banwan school menta kesngi. Ngasngap jar sipang hadin kapto kat nepor ngamban se ngahaban ay kejubab. Pong ba ngihab ban le Shillong ban penlong ya ka peaceful protest sit in demonstration bang dawa ya la ka jong ka hop iway na ikena class A ilong ikena iba start hak puli puti iyeng iyong sar I don't want to be a teacher. Ngam kwa banlong no hikai ngong balay kiyong namar ba nakapor siya kapor ngiyo iba kinong hikai ki hami surok bandawa la ka jong kahok ngim kwa banlong nong hikai namar nila yo ilupa kam don kalaway bapernay haka teaching profession pi kani ka jing kuman jong ka government kala akta ya ka mindset jong ki students ki jongi ki bangi hikai haki school ki baper ki badon haka jilla Meghalaya kabaar hakini ki last year since 2020 mentau snemro arjara bhuai gakwa ban penpau hakmat jungpi kila patai kubor kidon shibon kipara nong hikai jungi kibala mat yaka jingyap nakadaw jong ni COVID-19 nga kwa bani to ipi hang ne kidon kato kan ne kipara nong hikai SSA kat ba kidang don hapo hospital kipaper ke jilla Meghalaya kifon sengau presiden kifon siu general secretary ko a kosar ya tolem yang ilanong inyo ya ketulop kebasa teng mentade kibrai kenang bangin yo ban pendap ban siu ya kebai hospital na bentaga jing sumari COVID-19 siu sene ban itu ngipi ngijau mat kom kino elam ngimla le ngilai kendo ya kibar bahalor kumbalong general secretary Nado Chief Minister, Education Minister, Iki Director, Kumjuru State Project Director, Kajubab Kalongba, Dang Up Yaka Pisa, Daka Central Government, Ban Siu Yakutulop, Jongi Kinohikai SSA. Kaartiya Kalakrensai, Haka Section 7 Clause 5, ka ken sai ha kong ba la ja ba ka central government kamla ban pen poy ki fon hakapor ka biang kadai ka jingba kle jong ka state government bakandang siu na plala jong knang ba kinohi kai kim dei ban software hane ka balango apa state Meghalaya jong it is just opposite. The reply we got from the government is waiting for the fund from the central government. Ngakwa banbo ya kejingli katno la bang la bo haka budget haka state budget naga benta ban siu ya katulop jong kino hikaya SSA barai nga bo ya kani kejingli namar katkom kachithi bala pha naka Ministry of Education Government of India la tho shai ba kijilla ba pher hapori India kuntup ya ka Meghalaya kidai ban mang kerpang na ka benta ka SSA kerpang ro nakamenta ban siu ya katulop jongi kino hikaya SSA ka jingli menta kami balada ka sarkar ka mang haka state budget balai gidang habi kendo jinga ka peni ba imat baka state government ka klemang nabenta jongi kino hikaya SSA ngakwa ba honorable education minister Isar Lakman Ramboy da Kababoram. We demand the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad Sangma, please let us know how much you have sanctioned in the state budget for the salary of SSA teachers. Nanta niladawa na kasorkar jela hak artrik jong bnai Julai 2008 ngalek summit ya kami memorandum Lengbau State Project Director Isar Amras Merak di kerta dia ke sarkar jela ban pentri kami ya ke pay structure bat kumjuro ban penkiu ya kutulap jong ki khat 8,000 sanspa sabwengut kino hikai SSA hapa ke jela Meghalaya kat kum ka provision jong ke RT Act 2009 but ka state RT rules 2011 nakaliang jong state project director ula pa ya ka proposal sa ka state government haka neutrik jong ubray August 2008 sorry kat neutrik jong ubray August 2008 baru la kerpat ya ka state government kumjuro ya ka education department ban shim ya ka rai namar ba kani ka jingdawa jong ikalong genuine habang ipoden ya ka file komite general secretary menne habaya keren makmat kiong ba under process andala poden la penban la reject ila bala sya reject hadin bang ila biya kane haka kandai trik jong benai February Hajar Arhuway nilalay po biyang sakaway kami memorandum how education minister la kaben remboy pangila po kajing kerpat ban consider ban reconsider biyang ya demands jongi ban pentri kami ya pay structure ban kumjuro ban enhance ya katulop jong kinohikai SSA ban ngira bodo ya deadlines palada ka comment kamle lada kam reconsider ya ka demands jongi hapo ka pratrik jong ubnai February 2008 ngin penlong da ka jingi ki paiba ngakwa ban penta kmat jong pi kila patai kubor knang ba pro ka jela Meghalaya kinong chuksinong apo Meghalaya kintip ya ka jing sukor jong ka MDA government halor ka jing sukor kan riu tarik jong ubnai February 2008 nakaliang jongu education minister Isar la kaben remboy lengba state project director Isar Amras Merak kila kod ya keren yangi meeting nakaliang jong State Project Director Isar Amras Marak ilang ba ngapentip syapi bangin ra kum kawai na ka agenda haka executive committee jong kasimam kapan salong hau benai March April bangin ya discuss kan ni ka demands yung pi ban pentai kam ya ka pay structure but kumjuro ban penkiu ya ketulop yung kikat arajar sanspa sa wengut kinong hikay ya kan ni ka executive committee yung ka simam lakle daw chief secretary yung ka chila Meghalaya hakata ka meeting ulang la biang kata meeting yung la biang sa kata pilakular la ay ka assuran ya sehun ila lek pai Bangila, benar-benar orang bagilah petai kubur baka government kalau ayang ke assuran bahkan sara kau ini agenda hak isi bani discuss ya kan ikamat kat pratrik bulan Februari hajar arpuing yo ya ke statement jong Honorable Education Minister lah menrembui kebawang kadiman jong kinohi kaya sesi kalau very genuine Puang baudang ab ya ka proposal now State Project Director but kumjuro ka syong haka jing don pisa to ka state government ban penurlong ya kani ngakwaro ban penpao hang ni bangiras ngeo ngoe sikat daya kum kino hikaya sisi ya isar HM syang pliang Ibalong inong mikmat Jaga Mausen Ram constituency Pahado RC Narwat Ila ra ya kani kamat Banyak keren Hapo assembly Shisen dega autumn session Kapalalong kat artrik jauh 9 November Hajar arpau Bat kasin kapa kalong Kat riu trik jauh 9 March Hajar arpaway haka budget session Kejubab kalong keju, demands is very genuine, but the matter is under examination. Matters is under examination. Hakabana kaliang Joy Sar, siyang piyang, ilaya site na kabanta juga ikinong hikaya sa si. Yung hoy. Sngayon to, yung kajikardo pisa yung kagomen. Haday wat lakatar, wala asimpor, na dyan dap arsnem. At least, the result should be there. Kumbang i-president i-secretary jong ka East Kasil District isa JJ Lunghoy ngi kino hikay habang ipenlong examine ipenmiro ya ka result pass or fail hara kapalang mga ka MDA government menta lajan dap lies name matter is under examination no result at all Sakano kidang kwa ban examine ya kani ka issue jongi if our demand is genuine today we want to send a clear message to the MDA government and also to the Honorable Education Minister and the Honorable Chief Minister if our demand is genuine implement with immediate effect and if our demand is not genuine throw out in the dustbin. That is a clear message I want to send to the MDA government. We have suffered a lot. We have suffered a lot. Ngila Yaisha Takisnem Ngila Yaisha Henry Kenmau Pawai Ubriu Kadon kalimit hado kadno ngin Yasha Kabar Hakabay day Pagkadiman siyongi Ban create yaki post Ban kumjuro Ban pinkindriya ya baro kan arajar Sanspa sa huwaingot kinohi kaya sasi Napo State Implementation Society Siya po State Education Department on regular basis Katkum ka provision jong ka RTI 2009 but ka SSA RTE norms. Kani ngidawa since 2016. Kumbali ito isa jejeleng koy. Hakapar ba? U Chief Minister badan burom jong isa Conrad Sangma. House Lem Araja Kandriu. Idang day MP. Day mai balayalam yang i bani kendo yau Union Minister Prakash Javadkar a New Delhi. Ila res ya kadi ka isu jong i. Layak keren ya ka isu jong kinoi ka SSA hadu up Lok Sabha po Parliament. Kapalongo menta when he is in power, everything is in hands. The decision is in his hand. Ula pai dalam det. Udah pai dalam det. Kacingkeling ibu balai. Kalajia kum ni. Kakwa ban penpahang ni. Lalaki wei ke state. Lain Manipur. Assam. Sikkim. Punjab. Bakiwai-kiwai. Lala ban rigoroi sikino hika SSA. Balai Meghalaya. Kimla. Balai Meghalaya Kimla. Habangi kendo. Yau State Project Director haka Andrew Trick. Jom mentau benai. Haka cingit dalam jong Deputy SPD. Isar Andrew Warjri. Kiong ba. Kadaw ba kabaga government kamla. Banregroi si ka service jong pi. Kaday you are appointed by the school managing committee. My questions to the MDA government. The guidelines of the SSA, the framework of the SSA, the section of the RT Act 2009, it is not mentioned that we should be appointed by the school managing committee. Then why in Meghalaya? We don't have different guidelines. All guidelines of SSA for implementation of SSA is the same across the country. Why in Meghalaya? We have filed RTI to find out the facts. Who have authorized the school managing committee to appoint SSA teachers? And in the reply we got from the State Project Director Office, it is clearly says, it is the policy decision of the state government that all SSA teachers are appointed by the school managing committee. It is a policy decision of the state government, which means that it is a state government who take decision. Kerana sarkar jela, kepala simia karai, ban penkubor di school managing committee, ban tungkam ye kenohikai SSA. Ladang ye keren ye kiwai ki provision jong kaatiak. For example, Section 23, Clause 1 and 2, it was fully implemented for SSA teachers. The Section 23, Clause 1 and 2, it says regarding the minimum qualification. To be as a teachers, we have to fulfill certain criteria. We have to follow NCTE norms. We have to finish DLED. We have to pass MTET and so on and so forth. Section 27 of RTI, which mentioned that we have to perform our duties apart as a teachers if there is disaster, if there is election, if there is a census, we have to perform our duties to be as a person who will be appointed to work as a person for collection of data in election and also for census and in disasters. As done to contractual government LP teachers. Karena jengkeli kebangi kuah ban nilabo yang director ba ka government ne ka government kadon intention ban tan mene no yang i hadin bakut jong kani kapor. Kumbale yang ki government LP contractual teachers. We have served more than 20 years as SSA teachers since the beginning of implementation of this program in Meghalaya. Since day one till today, we are suffer. Our Muslim ngila syakri kum kino hikai SSA. Nado basdang hado menta. Yikendo yikini kijinge. Yikendo yikini kijinge. If it is not done in the past, as mentioned by the Honorable MLA of Mausandram during the budget session on 16 March 2021, he mentioned clearly that yes, we cannot done during the MUA government, but we highly expect that MDA government should fulfill the demands of the SSA teachers because it is very genuine. For the government to fulfill our 3 demands, and if the government fail on October, we will organize second phase of agitation, that is mass casual leave of all 12,541 SSA teachers. We will do in the second phase a 2 days mass casual leave of all the 12,541 SSA teachers. If the government fail to fulfill our 3 demands on or before 30th September 2021, then on October 2021, we will organize a second phase of agitation, that is 2 days mass casual leave of all the 12,541 SSA